So now it's Sunday night and I'm ready to write out my weekly page for the upcoming week. So the first thing I do is I give my page a title. Sometimes it's week of. I might write something like, this week will be awesome, just to give me a little oomph. Then I go through and I write labels for each day of the week. Now, the great thing about using just a notepad instead of a planner is if it's a really hectic week and I need to use a 2-page spread, I totally can. But generally just one page works for me. So I put Monday, skip some space, Tuesday, skip some space, Wednesday, Thursday. And I can be as particular as I want, or I can be as just kind of laid back as I want. So I don't have to like measure and make sure there's the exact same amount of space between each day. But if I feel like it, I can. Now that I've got my labels, the next thing that I do is I look at my cell phone and my appointments. And I start going through and listing down any specific appointments for this week. So Monday, I've got a doctor's appointment at 11:30. Tuesday evening, I'm supposed to meet with a friend at 7 p.m. Yes, it's possible to have a social life. Wednesday, I'm teaching from 11 to 2. Thursday, my kids have an after-school activity at 6 p.m. And Friday, I'm pretty home free. Now that I've got my scheduled appointment stuff down, I'm going to look at my monthly page to decide what needs to get done this week. Usually I flip back and forth, but to make things easier, I've kind of ripped it out. So let's look. I need to get some patterns done for the yarn company. So based on this, I've got a nice chunk of time Tuesday. So let me put yarn company patterns 1 and 2. I want to get done Tuesday. I need to work on publishing that mitt pattern. I can probably finish the pattern on Wednesday after I teach. So finish pattern for mitts and send it to my tech editor. Also, because I'm out teaching that Wednesday, I can go ahead and mail the B-Day present on my way to go teach. And basically I do this, I just kind of reference back to my monthly list and I kind of fill in where I think I can get things done. It doesn't mean things always happen on that day, but it's usually a pretty good plan that I'm able to stick to. Let's do some publisher issue 6 patterns on Tuesday. So maybe I'll aim to get 3 of the patterns done out of the 4. And this is basically how I go through and how I set up my weekly plan. Sometimes I will even put in my supper plan next to the day. So let's say Monday would be good for a taco salad, or Tuesday we'll have pizza. And I can just put all that information here. Also, as things pop up during the week, so let's say Tuesday I'm working and someone emails me and says, hey, can you update my website? And I'm like, sure, I can do that Friday. So then I come back to my weekly page and I write in update website on the Friday section. And this is basically just my layout for my week of what I want to try and get done. By filling in my appointments first, I see where I have the time and the opportunity to get things done.